Hello. Welcome to the M7. Here we bring the best brands for you after research so that you can make a smart purchasing decision. Today we present the 5 best body groomers to buy in 2021. Before diving into today's product list, don't forget to hit the subscription button to stay updated. If you want to check further, links have been added in the description box. Let's get started. On top of our list, in first place we have the Philips Norelco Body Groom. Philips Norelco tirelessly keeps things dependable when it comes to electric shavers and trimmers. Accordingly, their Body Groom series is one of the best body groomers for men. It features high-performance blades, 5 length settings and a 3D pivoting head that closely trails the natural contours of your body. As a result, you get tons of control and comfort, and you trim away those unwanted follicles. Everything about this shaver is high quality, from the powerful motor to the rotary head. It's also waterproof so that you can use it in the shower. Features: the dual-sided handle allows you to shave or trim all of your body zones with one tool. The ergonomic grip allows for maximum control while you groom. Easy to use and clean, while wet or dry. Moving to the next one of the list. In the second position we have the Panasonic Arc 5 electric razor for men. At the higher end of the spectrum is Panasonic's shaver and trimmer. Flaunting a clean design and round blade, this top body groomer consistently delivers a gentle, smooth and premium shave. Included in the package are length and skin guard attachments. This is one of the best body groomers on the market right now. It comes with 5 blade shaver attachments and a multi-flex pivoting head system for contouring. It's extremely easy to use and has a powerful motor. Features: efficient, hyper-performance linear motor, wet or dry operation and built-in trimmer, automatic cleaning, easy to maintain. Coming up next. In third place we have the Braun electric razor for men. The name is Braun because these electric shavers are made for men. Their multi-grooming kit is the ultimate resource for trimming and shaving and one of the best body groomers you can own. This is one of the best foil shavers on the market. It has advanced technology, which allows it to cut even the most stubborn hair. This makes it ideal for touching up tricky areas and precision shaving. Included in the kit are 4 separate combs that cover a range of 13 length settings. Sleek, durable blades are built to last for essentially your entire life. The kit is also fully washable and good for 60 cordless minutes after an 8-hour charge. Features: rechargeable long-life batteries, wet and dry shaver for use with water, foam or gel, durable cordless electric shaver. Now moving to the number 4. Remington Body Groomer Kit. Remington is a great option for those who want to keep their body hair under control. It's very easy to use and extremely powerful. It has a non-slip handle and extremely sharp blades. It also comes with 9 different attachments, including a trimmer for the neck, nose, and back, powered by a lithium battery that delivers up to 70 minutes of cordless shaving. The Remington can handle any grooming task you can send its way. Remington's cost-effective stunner comes with 8 attachments and thereby leaves no area behind. Whether it's your ears, nose, chest or toes, the self-sharpening steel blades on this top body groomer will trim those hairs with surgical precision. Features: self-sharpening, surgical steel blades for long-lasting performance. Washable attachments, just rinse under the faucet to clean. 2-year limited warranty. In the 5th position we have the Mangroomer Ultimate Pro Back Shaver. The Mangromer Ultimate Pro Back Shaver almost looks like a fold-up vacuum cleaner and serves you just as well, eradicating back hair with the foremost precision. This acclaimed grooming tool relies on innovative features like 2 interchangeable shaving heads, a shock-absorbing multifunctional flex neck and an ergonomic rubber handle to leave no patch unturned. It's very easy to use and has a powerful motor. It has an attachable guard, which makes it very easy to maintain different styles. It also comes with a beard trimmer attachment. Features: 2 interchangeable attachment shaving heads. Extreme reach extendable ergonomic rubberized handle. Advanced quick charge battery. Thanks for being with M7 throughout this video. We hope that you have already made up your mind for the right best body groomers. Do comment if you have any query and don't forget to share it with a friend. See you guys in the next video.